guys, we're on our way to detail 4 cars, but we have to close the deal first. He has a 75 Ferrari and some Alfa Romeos, some old cars. So we'll see what happens right now.
I don't know why you tryna fight me. I think that I might be the one that have you thinking about what life be. Come and take a ride with me, show you around the city, I need you right here beside me. Can I call you wifey? Don't just want you for your body, I wanna know where your mind be. Do you think you like me? Running from my love, I don't know why you tryna fight me. I think that I might be the one that have you thinking about what life be. Come and take a ride with me, show you around the city, I need you right here beside me. Can I call you wifey? Don't just want you for your body, I wanna know where your mind be.
Girl, I wanna love you, don't just wanna fuck. I know you had a rough, feel you had enough. Cold to the bone, cold to the touch. And every time I call you, girl, I know you blush. You mean so much more to me than going on shopping sprees. Oh girl, what they got on me? Bring a friend, I'ma bring YNG.
Do you think you like me? Running from my love, I don't know why you tryna fight me. I think that I might be the one that have you thinking about.
Alright guys, we just had a customer drop off the charger. We're gonna do some custom headlights. We're gonna take off the bumper and start cracking the headlights open. In the meantime, we're gonna finish these honeycomb lights to put on the roof. Nice little upgrade.
What's going on, guys? Make sure you click the link. Azcustomz episode 7. We're live. Check next week every Thursday, 6 p.m. Let's go.
It's 2 a.m. in California, so it's about 4 in Dallas. Are you up? Or did you just need a plug?
Fuck bitches get money every day.
Hey, this shit is crooked as fuck, bro.
I did. Stop recording, bro. Don't.
This shit's crooked, bro. You better make that shit straight.
It's crooked like my...
Alright, so we're dropping off this old bumper, picking up the new OEM bumper we had ordered at aftermarket, and it did not turn out good. Is this the box? Alright guys, we just came back from the club. We just came back from picking up the OEM bumper for the Escalade. Now we got YNG heating up the headlights for this charger. We're doing the full custom with the Ghost controller and all that. Shout out to YNG for putting up these lights by himself. Sheesh. He learning.
It might be a little crooked, but...
Nah, it looks good. There we go. Alright guys, we finished the first headlight. I'm doing the last one, the second one. Replacing these LEDs right here. Putting the ring. Taking these off.
Never gonna rush, we take it slow though. 1, 2, 3, never gonna look though. Make it clack, show the cut up. Run it back, that's the motor. Never gonna rush, we take it slow though. 1, 2, 3, never gonna look though. Make it clack, show look good though. Run it back, that's the mode.
What it do? What it do? What's the move? I know that I be out, but I be coming back to you. She wanna know my love, but sister got she has to prove. I'm too busy getting dove, I don't got no time to lose. Sipping on the Henny, like to mix it with the juice. Everybody switching up, got me watching who I choose. Fuck it up and make it clap, let me see you getting loose. Pocket full of blues when I'm walking in my truths. Hey, send me the Henny, I'm about to pull up. Just give me 10 and I'll be on the way.
I own Azcustomz.
Hey, get your face, it's a story.
Yeah, all rats and all that. Yeah. Yeah. And then this is our other business right here. We do DTG printing and stuff.
Oh, like on shirts and stuff
Yeah,
like
we
that?
do logos, graphics.
Where's this at?
He's the graphic designer. We're both installers.
Where's the, do you have like a place? Like,
By the 51 Freeway in Shea.
you want to check? Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, but that's right there. Check me out. Follow me
Oh,
down.
this one's hard. Yeah, this one's badass.
Yeah. It was white.
You did this one for somebody?
Yeah. It was white.
I see my boy commenting on your stuff. This is an older one though, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's my partner, Drip for Sale.
Yeah. Drip for
No,
sale?
Yeah, that's my partner. So me and him own this stuff.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. That's not, bro. Yeah, he's not into it.
I could do your storefront. I didn't know what it was. It looked closed at first.
Like, like you mean like
Yeah,
graphics
the
and stuff
fronts,
like that?
yeah.
Oh, you can do all that?
Yeah.
On the wall, bro, it looks sick. Put some babe or something like that.
Oh yeah,
We got
that's what
big
had in mind at
wraps.
first. Like honestly, that's what we were thinking about. That's why we got this door like this.
Yeah.
Because he found like some wallpaper and he put like this wallpaper together.
We got it in wrap.
Yeah.
We
So
wrap
this one he just did like one by one, you know.
We can appropriate the
Like,
logo
put it up.
it. He
Yeah,
lined
like
them
at
up.
first, like our idea was to
Bro.
kind of like put the whole background
He lined
like
them.
that.
Oh no, he didn't.
But we could do like a wall or something like that. That would be pretty fun. Because I was thinking about that too, like just at least doing one wall.
Yeah.
Or like stick a.
It can have your like your Instagram or like the store
Yeah,
name on it.
yeah, like some dope. Like you can put like a bunch of shit in it because the printing you can put whatever on it.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
It's not like if you get like a
How
painting,
many
like a painting is cool, but you're like it's harder to do. It takes more time and all that stuff.
Yeah.
Like we have one of our clients. They did their wall, but they have somebody design it, and it's almost like graffiti style, but it's all digital.
I don't got service in here.
We got a Wi-Fi if you need Wi-Fi.
This one has the Instagram too, bro.
Okay, yeah, cool. Check it out.
Yeah, we got all kinds of wraps, babe wraps, all that stuff. That wall over there would be perfect.
Yeah, the one in the front, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I've been thinking about that to it, but like with the, I like with the poles in the front, like you take them out and then when I do it around or
Go right around.
Or
you just kind of like unscrew them and then
or we
like
could
lift
go
it.
over it.
Oh yeah, over it too.
You can do over it too.
You're gay.
Fuck yeah.
Where should I put this?
I would like do it like somewhere not so close. Like on the sidewalk. Or do you have anywhere to do it down here?
Oh, right here too.
Just run it to the bottom. You don't have a cell type of screw?
Yeah, but I usually just try to look right here. I usually just try to do with something that
It's already
is
there.
already there.
Again, fake, stop. Swine G. Casey. Always been a struggle, baby, 2004. My mama stressing on the rent, had to hustle some more. It's hot out here for a P, it's a hustle and flow. I see me with a mic on stage and selling out shows. They'll never see the vision till they see that you own. I really stand on what I say, the day that I'm gone. You wasn't with me on the road and I was out in the loan. If you wasn't with me when I was broke, don't hit my phone. They gon' hate you when you up, start to say that you swish. Like I ain't never swung shit, like I'm doing it big. Same nigga from the 6, now I'm lit. Never switch up for a bitch, thought it's scandalous. I've been fucking different hoes on a daily basis. Baby mama tripping on me cause I gotta make it. See you flexing this and that, but I know you faking. I'm just trying to bust another, you mistaken. Same shit, different days, life for the matrix. I see the future in the day that I can say I made it. Don't fit the word of Buddha, babe, off that pussy for me. They suck his jacket, so be saying that they looking for me. I ain't even got ass, but heaven, she gon' do it for me. Now the bitches see poppin', used to ignore me. See, I'm popping, used to want nothing to do with me. Now they cool with me, hit my line to hit the stew with me.
Get a different rag to clean the inside, please. Get one of those yellow towels. But this motor is cool.
Fucking money for it, you know? Toretto ain't got shit on it.